Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can use a TikTok as your ringtone. So let's find a video. Okay, look for a video. I'll be downloading one of my video. I don't want any copyright strike.
This is me, literally me. No other character.
Okay, so let's copy the link. Okay, link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you just have to insert the link. So paste the link and hit download button. Okay, so here you can see download mp3. Just tap there. Okay, then you will see this download option. Tap on download. Okay, so our download is complete. Now you have to open this app called GarageBand. Okay, so this is the app. Slide here and you will find audio recorder. Tap there. Okay, so in this screen on the top left corner, the third button, just tap there. Okay, now on the right of the top right of the screen you will see this loop button. Tap there. Okay, here tap on browse item from the file app. Okay, so this is the file we just downloaded. Okay, just long press on it and drag it. Yep. Okay, so this clip is around 4 or 5 seconds long. You can use a clip of 30 seconds also. So now on the top left corner of the screen, this arrow button is there, down arrow. Tap there and hit on my songs. Okay, waiting, just wait for a few seconds. Okay, it's done. 2 MB. Long press on it. Now let's rename it. Okay, done. Okay, so to make it your ringtone, just long press and hit on share. Then you will see the screen. Now tap on ringtone. Okay, now hit on export. Okay, hit OK. Now let's go and check the ringtone. So as you can see on the top of the list in ringtones, you can see SpongeBob.
This is me, literally me. No other character can come close to relating to me like this. There is no way you can convince.
And that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can use a TikTok as your ringtone. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.